guys, welcome back to my channel and happy new week to everyone. I hope your day is going great. Thank you all for joining me again for my Walgreen haul video. I plan on doing one transaction in this video and I have 3 spend boosters. One is a pay-up spend booster that is spend $40 get $7 Walgreen cash back. And I have 2 digital booster, a spend $25 get $5 Walgreen cash on household and grocery, and another spend $30 get $7 Walgreen cash. The first deal I'll add in this transaction will be the Bounty and Charming deal. They're on the deal of buy 4 or more, you get $5 register reward back, and I'll pick up 2 of the Bounty Essential at $5.49 each, and I'll also pick up 2 of the Charming Essential at $5.49 each. All 4 products are going to total $21.96, and we have a 50-cent coupon for the Bounty. We only have 1, although we are picking up 2, and we also have a 50 cents for the Charming. We only have 1 in our app. We are still picking up 2. With the $1 coupon, it's going to drop it down to $20.96. I will pay that and get $5 register reward back, making all 4 of them just $15.96 if I'm doing this by itself. But one of the spend boosters I have to spend $25 on household or grocery to get back $5 Walgreen cash. That means I need a little bit more to get to $25 to get my $5 Walgreen cash back. I will pick up the Scott Comfort Plus, priced at $5. We have a $1.25 IVC coupon in the app, and I also have a $1 coupon that will help drop it down. If you're picking this up by itself, after the IVC coupon and the $1 coupon in the app come off, you will pay just $2.75. But with this, I'm able to get to my 25. That means I just need a little bit more to use my spend 30 get $7 Walgreen cash back, and also the spend 40 get $7 Walgreen cash back. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on Crest toothpaste. They are part of the buy 4 or more, you get $6 register reward back, and they're on sale for $4. Check your store because there are some on sale for $3. That will make a better deal, but my store only have the $4 ones. I'll pick up 4 of the toothpaste, priced at $4, and 4 of them are going to total $16. We have a 6 off 4 digital coupon that will drop it down to 10. I'll pay that and get $6 register reward back. And if you scan this product on the app, it says that you can get $5 Walgreen cash back when you spend $15. That means after the $5 Walgreen cash, all 4 items are going to be free and a $1 money maker. The last deal I'll add to this transaction before I check out will be the buy 2 or more Dove or Tresemme hair care products, get $5 register reward back. I'll pick up 2 of the Dove hair care products, 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner. They're on sale for $4 each. Both of them are going to total $8. We have 2 $2 coupon in our app that will drop it down to $4. I'll pay that and get $5 register reward back, making both products free and a $1 money maker. These are everything I'll pick up in this transaction. I only have $6 register reward to use, then I'll pay the rest out of pocket. I'll go check out and we'll go over my receipt. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. You can see all the items I picked up. My $2 coupon for the Dove did not come off, but that's okay because you can submit your receipt to Shopmium and get back the $2, or you can call customer service, and I think I'll be calling customer service for the $2. But other coupons came off. I used $6 register reward to help pay it down. My 6 off 4 came off. The $2 for the Dove came off. The $1 for the Scott came off as well, and the 250 cents came off. And on the receipt, you can see where it deducted the $1.25 coupon. That's the IVC coupon. I ended up paying $33.71 out of pocket because I don't have that much register reward to use with this day. And I got back $5 for the buy 4 get $5 register reward back on the paper products. Got back the $5 for buying 2 of the Dove hair care. And I got back $6 for buying 4 of the Crest toothpaste. I did not get the $5 Walgreen cash for spending $15 on these products. What I did was call customer service. That's why I'm not going to submit my receipt to Shopmium. I called customer service for that $5, and I also requested for the $2 coupon that did not come off. The lady was kind enough to give me back $7 Walgreen cash. That ended up making this whole transaction free and a $1.29 money maker. This concludes my video today. Thank you all for watching and thank you all for all your support. I just want to say that I truly appreciate it, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye bye.